Salamat sa nag-heart. Thank you. Salamat. Thank you po. Ay, nakalimutan ko. Nakalimutan. Hi. Salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Kung sino ka man, thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching 1 million. Sa 1 million. Salamat sa 1 million. Salamat. Kung comment ka para ma-recognize. Comment. Salamat sa heart mo. Heart. Thank you naman. Two thumbs up. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Ay, my God. Sabi ko na. Hi, Mike. Long time no here. Good morning, Sheryl. Good morning. Rainy here in Bicol, Philippines. Rainy, thank you so much, Mike. Coffee sa umaga. Coffee. Morning coffee, morning. Ano? Wrong grammar is wrong. Thank you, Mike. Good evening there in America. Golden. Thank you. Sometimes go Elul. Thank you, Golden. How's America now? Sunny in Philippines now, rainy here. I'm having a cappuccino right now. Cappuccino ballerina. Stop following my YouTuber. Thank you, Golden. Never Golden. Thank you, Mike. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Oh my God, 21 million in the house. Salamat sa Thank you, Golden. Thank you, Mike. Coffee. Cheers. Ballerina cappuccino. Thank you, guys. Thank you sa 21 million in the house. Salamat. Patamsak naman. Thank you so much. How are you? How's America now? Cold. It's cold there. Ballerina cappuccino. Thank you. Salamat. Ay, salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you po. Cupcakes. The grow coffee where I'm at, so most of the coffee you get here is grown locally. Okay. Okay, pero hindi ko naintindihan. The grow coffee where I'm at, so most of the coffee you get here is grown locally. Okay. Okay, Mike. Hello po. Hi, John Paul Relano. Hi, kumusta? Taga saan si John Paul? It is very fresh and strong, yes. Pure coffee. The pure coffee. Fresh and strong. Nakapalda ako. Ayan, girl, girl. Our palda. Babae na po ako. Girl na girl. Thank you for the thumbs up. Ballerina Cappuccina. Thank you, Mike. Mike and Golden. Thank you. Kape, kape. Cheers sa tagumpay para sa ekonomiya. For the economy. Let's cheers. Sarado na. Thank you for the thumbs up. I know it's wrong for me. Gonna shoot a minute day. Ballerina Cappuccino. Ano ito ma? Ballerina Cappuccino. Long long tong tong tong.
Tong 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 sahur.
Long long tong tong sagor.
Mali. Tong 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 sahur.
Tong 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 sagor.
Cappuccino assassino.
Cappuccino assassina.
Cappuccino assassino.
Ah, cappuccino assassino. Tama?
Apa?
Tong 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 sagor. Ba yung mga kanta na yan? Kanta pa ba yun? Thank you 7 million in the house. Her thumbs up. Happy now. At least. Oh, kung masakit. Kasiglahan Village po. Sana all, no? Katuwa naman yung village nyo. Kasiglahan Village. Bawal malungkot dyan. Kasiglahan nga eh. Hindi ka masasabing kasiglahan pag lagi kang bad trip, no? Sana all Kasiglahan Village.
Hindi.
Kasiglahan Village. Hello. Tong 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 sa hobor.
No.
Later I'm going to, I'm going to America. Tomorrow. Nakapabook na. Gab, ingahi ka, Gab. Gab, ingahi ka, Gab.
Go!
Gay ka lang naman. Ang gunting. Pag may nakita ko, gagawin mo si mama. Gawin mo kay mahali ako makasama sa kanya.
Apa? Ha?
Pwede na kaya doon. Bidahan na doon. Nahanap na gunting. Disgusting. Hello, disgusting. Kumusta? Long time. Busy na mga person, no? Busy ang mga person. Ito tama na. Dili man ka siya doon. Kumusta kaibigan? Okay na mga arbokon? Kumusta? Okay naman. Visit ka nila ng atiyan. Kumusta? Okay lang. Thank you po sa thumbs up. Salamat sa nagpa-thumbs up. Thank you po. Thank you guys. Thank you for the... Inwaragas mo na gabi ng mga ano dyan mo. Gab. Gabriel, inwaragas mo na yan daw. I'm in love with your lips. Ayan, nagbatog ka na na. Ay, gumpisa ka na naman. Mamaya, maano ka naman. Nag-ibudyat ka. Ay, nag-ano. Ay, nako. Disgusting. Where are you now, disgusting? Are you here in the Philippines or are you in, ano? Where are you? Parang lasing ito ah. Drunk ah. Lasing kagabi. Tungtong. Somewhere in your heart you're in my studio working on music. Oh wow. Okay, still good. Are you making a non-copyright music? Disgusting. Are you making a non-copyright music? We can use background music. Thank you. I own all the music. Wow. All the music. I am the master of mixing music. Okay. I'm so in love with you. Thank Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. 6 million in the house. I don't like maybe just 30 minutes because I'm busy today. Ito, kailangan kong gawin mga bagay na dapat matapos na hanggat pandito pa. Kasi malapit na, pero malayo pa. Tong, 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 tong. Someday I'll find someone who really loves me. Charot, joke lang yan. English Sheryl, yes. I know. Thank you, Tim. To those who give the heart, hindi sa nag-heart. A heart to bad. So, huwag seryosohin, sasaktan ka lang. Pak ganar. Someday we'll know the taste. Husla. Makahusla, makahugat, makahusla, makakataman. RT. I feel I want to do Jollibee now. Sometimes I found here first going. Coach GPTV, good morning po ma'am. Hi sir, Coach GPTV. How are you po? Have a nice day. Have a nice day, Coach. Salamat po. Thank you po sa pagpunta. Maulan dito sa amin. Rainy here in the Philippines. Bicol. Rainy. Actually, you forget I have hair. Rain. Oh my goodness. Okay. Laugh out loud. No, not loud. Laugh out loud. Ayan, nag-anisa. Thank you for the thumbs up. Just die. 10 million in the house. Salamat. Salamat po sa nag-join. At 7 thumbs up. Thank you po sa nag-thumbs up. Maulanin. Maulanin dito sa aminin. Malapit na, magkikita na tayo. Konting tiis na lang. Ano ba? I want to go to Jollibee now. Jollibee, nasaan ka? Jollibee. Spaghetti, burger, fried chicken. Ayan. Cock float. And just like that, Holden was gone. Uh, golden, not gold. It's fine. Night there now in America, so maybe time to rest. Rest after work. Mike is working, so maybe he's a little tired. It's fine. In few minutes, I need to end the live. I need to go. Where are you now? Someone deep inside. Jose, you're late to say. Why are you now? Sorry. Thank you, Jose. Not so late. Thank you for joining. Oh, Jose. Jose. I don't understand, Jose. Thank you for the thumbs up, Jose. And so other. Thank you, team. My Golden. Thank you. And Coach TV, thank you so much. Disgusting. Thank you. Mike, thank you, Mike. John Paul. Thank you, guys. Jose, what are you doing, Jose? Are you busy? Hold on, what? Hold on. Hold on. The hold on. Wrong spelling go. Wrong spelling is wrong. Wrong spelling is wrong. Jose Amor. Jose, I don't understand Jose. I only understand Amor. Morikit. Team, you didn't have hair. Natural. Natural na ano. What is natural? Disgusting. Oh my goodness. Disgusting. You never... You don't... Ah. Jose, I don't understand, Jose. Jose. Can you speak English, Jose? Linda. Linda means in Latin is Linda beautiful. Ask her girl. Ask her girl. I know Tim, you're her husband. Huh? I know Tim, you're her husband. I'm just playing. Thank you, T. Thank you, Gavin. Okay, wait. Who is your boyfriend? Who are you marrying in March? Who's lip up? Oh, me? Are you asking me? My boyfriend is Tim from American, Texas American. I will get married in March. I will get married Tim in March. Who's Tim? Charot. It's your Tim? Oh my god. You never sleep out alone. What you sleep up? That one day, Tim. That one day? What is sleep up? Oh, sorry. I don't understand that. What is sleep up? Hi, Zach. Good morning, my friend. Good morning to Zach. How are you, Zach? Sir Zach. Thank you for joining here again. Yes. I'm doing well. Okay, sir. Where are you now, Sir Zach? What country do you live now? Maybe I forgot. I know I asked. Jose. What means Jose? Did I hear? Did I hear? Yes, I'm getting married. I'm getting married soon in March next year. Oh, think twice. This is another good news. Some paradise. Oh, that's one of mine. I'm getting married next year. A legal wife. I'm a legal wife na. No miss. No, playing serious like that. I don't like playing. I want serious relationship. Stick to one. And get married. Or get married. Oh my god, congratulations my friend. Thank you Sir Zach. Congratulations, I got married in March. That's right. Late, late greetings, but still, congratulations Sir Zach. You married now. In Metro Manila. You married here in Metro Manila, in Philippines. Congrats, Sir Zach. Thank you po. Are you married in Filipina? She's a Filipina? I don't understand, Jose. Sorry, Jose. I don't understand the language. Maybe I know your language is Latin. Jose is from Portugal, I think. I forgot. So, Latin. Quero fazer você muito feliz por copito, carinho e amor. Yes, what means Jose? Jose. Jose. I need to go now. She lives in Metro Manila near Parañaque and Las Piñas. She's from Oslo. Live in Parañaque and Las Piñas. Maybe she lives in Bikutan, Pasay. She's that. Parañaque and Las Piñas. Pasay or Bikutan or Alabang. Yes, the Alabang. The Alabang girl. Bikutan. Pasay. Alabang, yes. Near in Hi, why you, hi. Yomo. Why Yomo? Jose, I don't understand Jose. Not far from SM. Not far from SM Sukat. BF? BF Paranaque, BF Homes? Not far. Okay. Yes, that's Las Piñas, yes, Las Piñas and Parañaque. Boundary. You're so why you're so pretty? Thank you so much. Why you say that, you? Do you know C5? Yes, I know C5. Tagig. Tagig. C5. Near there. Okay. Okay, Sir Zach. Nice. Where are you now, sir? Are you living here in the Philippines? home with Carol Basabusi de Lara. What means? Really? Oh, okay. What country are you from? Do you part? What country? What is your country? Sorry, is that? Vosikia circulation plus comigo. What means comigo? What's that? US. You are from US. American. Wow, that's nice. Wow. Many American here in my life. Almost. Almost American. Naka-shorts yan. Naka-shorts.
Mabuti naman kita na.
May
Kaya
ano?
may ikaw isla.
O, may isda na ata? Yes. Thank you. Bye-bye, sir. Philip, thank you so much. Congratulations. You're already married now. Soon, I will get married. Hope you join. You're invited. Oh, yeah. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Love you all. I need to go now. Call of Duty. Bye-bye.